Have you ever seen this jagged green vegetable at the market called Oyong? We probably just pass it by or at most eat it in soup. But today, we'll look at this vegetable from a completely different perspective. That's right, Oyong, or perhaps you're more familiar with it as gambas. It looks very simple. It's pretty ordinary. But what if I told you that behind its often overlooked appearance, it actually holds a wealth of power for our bodies? Okay, so in the next few minutes, we're going to reveal all the nutritional and health secrets of Oyong, which might just change your perspective forever. Let's get started. So the question is, why is this Luffa so often overlooked? Among the popular spinach and kale that can be cooked with anything, why is this Oyong only a supporting role in our kitchens? Now let's get to know this hero of ours better. Scientifically known as Luffa acutangula, it's a tropical vegetable that's perfectly suited to our climate. We often find it in warm, clear soups or as an accompaniment to stir-fries. Its mild flavor and distinctive texture make it very familiar to our palates. Now let's get to the point. So what exactly makes this Luffa so special? The answer lies in its nutritional content. Okay, let's start with a surprising number. 19 calories per 100 grm. This Oyong is like a free meal for anyone watching their weight but still wanting to eat delicious food. But low-calorie content is just the beginning. After all, Luffa contains a complete package: carbohydrates for energy, essential minerals like potassium, which helps maintain blood pressure, and, of course, beta-carotene, the raw material for vitamin A, which is crucial for our eyes. Now, this is the coolest part. Luffa has a super protective team: flavonoids, saponins, and anthraquinones. Think of them as special forces, protecting our body's cells from daily attacks by free radicals. Okay, now we know what's in it. Now the big question is, what are its effects on our bodies? Let's dissect the benefits one by one. The first is immediately felt in the digestive tract. Its high fiber content keeps everything moving smoothly. And, just as importantly, its low glycemic index means that this Luffa releases its energy slowly, so it doesn't cause drastic blood sugar fluctuations. It's very safe. Furthermore, this Luffa can act as a kind of shield for the body. Vitamin C and the antioxidants mentioned above work together to build our immune defenses, making us less susceptible to illness. Meanwhile, the beta-carotene we discussed earlier continues to work to keep our vision clear. Oh, and that's not all. It can also help relieve inflammation, such as joint pain. And this is especially important for expectant mothers. Luffa is a good friend of pregnant women. Its potassium content helps control blood pressure, and its nutrition is crucial for the health of both mother and baby. Okay, all these benefits sound really cool, but what's the easiest way to enjoy them all? The answer is it's really easy and definitely delicious. No need to bother shopping for all sorts of things. It's time to cook. It's easy to cook. We only need 1. For fresh young Luffa fruit. 2. 3 cloves of garlic. 3. 1 egg. 4. 4 cloves of shallots, vegetable oil to taste, salt, sugar, and other kitchen spices. Of course, the spices are already at home. It's simple, right? Simple, right? And the best part is, for those of us who are super busy, all this deliciousness and healthiness can be ready on the dining table in just minutes without a lot of time. No need to fuss. This is a go-to recipe for busy days. The cooking method is super easy. First, sauté the garlic until fragrant, then add the eggs, then scramble briefly, then add the chayote and water. Here's an important tip. Don't overcook the chayote. We want it to be tender but still slightly crunchy. Don't let it get mushy. That's the main secret. And ultimately, this is the point. Making delicious and nutritious food at home doesn't have to be complicated. Often, the best ingredients are right before our eyes, we just need to glance at them. So, from this Luffa, we learn something important. Never underestimate seemingly simple things. This got me thinking, and maybe you too, after Luffa, what other hidden treasures have actually been in our kitchens for a long time, but we haven't realized their power yet. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you later.